is a case that was sent to us from EVGA for review, the DG7 series. One would say this is rather huge. Let's try to get a better shot. There's the two different models. We'll give a close-up later of this. And this is just a simple unboxing for right now. We'll get into further, better video. Yeah, better video. Alright, as we can see here, it's very well packed. It comes in a bag. Wow, upside down, I took it out of the box. I'm going to remove the bag right now. And as we see, this is the white version. I hope I can keep it clean, let's put it that way. Woohoo, look at that window, fellas. Okay, that is very nice looking. This is a very, very nice looking case from EVGA. EVGA, just to clear that up. Very nice case. Very nice. I don't know if I'll be removing any of the wrappings at first, because I want to keep it as pristine as I can. Let's get a shot of the ports here, and the microphone, and the speaker, power and reset, or temperature button, I should say. This is huge compared to my mid-tower cases that I'm used to. Alright, let's see what it comes with as stock. It looks like it comes with the 120 or 140. Actually, a total of 3 fans it comes stock with. There's 2 in the front, 1 in the back. We'll double check the documentation on the size. Alright, that's just a partial unboxing for right now.